morning, Captain Decker. Is your team in position?
We're ready to go. Any updates?
As you know, the City Intelligence Service picked up reports of a gang movement in the old warehouse district. Intel suggests they're transporting illegal materials. Our sources think it's drugs.
The target building is a fortified location. We have no idea how many hostiles we're dealing with. Our objective is to neutralize the threat and secure the materials. We go in quiet, we go in hard, and we bring them in alive if possible. This is a high-risk op, so I want everyone on their toes.
Captain Decker, sorry to rain on your parade, but once you have completed your mission, you are to forward all findings directly to the Intelligence Service. This is not a request.
This is a secured line. How did you... Damn. Let's get ready to move. Decker, out.